Hello 7th standard students, welcome back. We were discussing about the lesson exponents and powers. Now coming to the laws of exponents. There are different laws. Now coming to the first law, x to the power m into x to the power n is equal to x to the power m plus n. That means when the bases are same and in between there is multiplication, then you have to add the powers. That is the rule. Okay, when the bases are same and in between there is multiplication sign, then only you have to add the powers. So where x is any rational number and x is not equal to 0. So the base should not be 0 and m and n are positive integers. So that is the first law. Now coming to the second law, there are two different types. So first, second law A, that is x to the power m divided by x to the power n. Means bases are same and in between division sign and the powers are different. So what we are going to do? The x to the power m minus n. So when the bases are same and in between division sign, then subtract the powers. Again, where x is any rational number and x is not equal to 0 and m and n are positive integers such that m is greater than n. Matlab, first power is greater than the second power. Then this is the rule. Okay. Now coming to example 5. Find the product of 2 by 5 the whole power 2 into 2 by 5 the whole power 3. Please don't forget to put the bracket. Otherwise your answer will be wrong. Understand? So it is 2 by 5 the whole raised to 2. So write the question 2 by 5 the whole raised to 2 into 2 by 5 the whole raised to 3. So first see whether the bases are same. Yes. So what we have to do? 2 by 5 in between multiplication sign. So what we have to do? Add the powers. 2 plus 3. So what it will be? Answer is 2 by 5 the whole raised to 5. 2 by 5 the whole raised to 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. Now simplify and express the result in exponential form. So if they ask exponential form, so you have to write in the powers. Okay. Now this is division. So the bases are same. It is a 2 by 3. The base is 2 by 3 and the powers are 6 and 4 but in between division. So what we have to do? Subtract the powers. So it will be 2 by 3 the whole raised to 6 minus 4 is 2. They have asked to write in the exponential form. So write it as it is. Now coming to the worksheet 3. Which of the following statements are true? So you have to tell whether it is true or false. So first 3 by 4 the whole raised to 3 into minus 3 by 4 whole raised to 3 is equal to minus 3 by 4 whole raised to 6. Is it true? No. Why? Here it is positive, here it is negative. The bases are not same. So the answer is false. So bases should be same. Not even the numbers, even the sign should be same. Then only the rule applies. Now 4 by 7 the whole raised to 5 into 4 by 7 the whole raised to 3. Bases are same. And multiplication in between is equal to 4 by 7. What we have to do? Add the powers, है ना? दोनों powers को add करो. 5 plus 3 is 8. So is it correct? Yes, it is true. Now minus 1 by 2 the whole raised to 4 divided by minus 2 the whole raised to 3. So bases are same. In between division sign. So what we have to do? According to the law, subtract the powers. So base is minus 1 by 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. So when the power is 1, we are not writing. So is it correct? Yes, it is true. Now in the fourth sum, 6 by 7 the whole raised to 6 divided by 6 by 7 the whole raised to 0 is equal to, the bases are same. In between division. So what we have to do? We have to subtract the powers. 6 minus 0 is 6. But here it is given 0. 6 by 7 the whole raised to 0 they have given. So this is false. Actually, what is the answer? 6 by 7 the whole raised to 6. Understood? So this was about the question number 1 up to 4th subdivision. Okay, now coming to the second sum. Fill in the blanks in each of the following so as to make the statement true. Now first we have to see whether the bases are same and what is the sign in between, whether it is multiplication or division. Accordingly, if it is multiplication, add the powers. If it is division, subtract the powers. So minus 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3 the whole raised to 3 means bases are same. Multiplication, so we have to add the powers. 1 plus 3 is 4. Base is also same. So what it will be? Answer is 1 plus 3 is 4. Now here 4 by 5, 4 by 5, 4 by 5. Bases are same. In between multiplication sign. So what we have to do? Add the powers. Dash plus 9 is equal to 11. So how much? 9 plus how much is 11? 9 plus 2. Now here minus 3 by 7. The base minus 3 by 7 minus 3 by 7. In between it is division sign. So we have to subtract the powers, isn't it? 15 minus how much is, now here nothing is given means what? Here it is 1. When the power is not given, it is understood it is 1. याद रखने का, power नहीं लिखे हैं मतलब 1 है. So 15 minus how much is 1? 15 minus 14. Clear? Now minus 1 by 10 bases minus 1 by 10 minus 1 by 10. The bases are same. In between division sign. So division है तो क्या करने का है? Subtraction. Isn't it? Now dash minus 8 is 8. Dash minus 8 is 8. कौन से नंबर से 8 को माइनस करोगे तो 8 आता है? तो क्या करने का? 8 plus 8 is 16. है ना? सब्ट्रैक्शन में फर्स्ट नंबर बड़ा रहता है, उसको मिलने के लिए ये दोनों को ऐड करने का. सो 16 minus 8 is 8. Now coming to the fifth subdivision, 2 by 9, 2 by 9, 2 by 9. Means the bases are same, in between division sign. So division के वक्त क्या करने का है? The powers को subtract करने का. 6 minus 0 is how much? It is 6. Now minus 12 by 13 into minus 12 by 13 minus 12 by 13. So bases are same, in between multiplication sign. That means we have to add the powers, isn't it? Now 2 plus how much is 3? Sorry, 2 plus how much is 5? Sorry, 2 plus 3 is 5. Answer is 3. 2 plus how much is 5? 2 plus 3 is 5. So first of all, see the bases. Are they same? And see whether it is multiplication or division. मल्टीप्लिकेशन है तो पावर्स को ऐड करो और सब डिवीजन है तो सबट्रैक्ट करो. क्लियर? नाउ कमिंग टू द थर्ड सम, सिंप्लीफाई एंड एक्सप्रेस द रिजल्ट इन द एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म. मीन्स पावर्स में ही करने का. अभी सेम, इधर बेसिस सेम है और मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन, मतलब क्या करने का, पावर्स को ऐड करो. तो क्वेश्चन, -3/7 is the base and power is 3 plus 4. You have to add. So it will be -3/7 the whole power 7. Please put the bracket. Now coming to 11/12. All the bases are same. So the base is 11/12. Now it is multiplication sign in between. So you add 15 plus 5 plus 10. So it is 11/12 the whole raised to 15 plus 5 is 20, 20 plus 10 is 30. Now coming to the third subdivision, -9/11 the base. Now it is a division, so subtract the powers. 9 minus 7. So it will be -9/11 the whole raised to how much? 9 minus 7 is 2. Now the fourth subdivision, 1/4 is the base and in between it is a division. So subtract the powers. 8 minus 6 is equal to 1/4 the whole raised to 2. Understood? So read the question properly and then solve it. And remember, bases should be same and see whether it is multiplication or division. If it is multiplication, add the powers. If it is division, subtract the powers. Hope you understood till here. The third sum, worksheet 3, third sum. Okay then, bye. Thank you. Take care.